For enhanced security, the Bluetooth connection to your downlights automatically locks a short time after they are turned on for the first time. If the control app on your smartphone is unable to detect any lights, you will need to perform a factory reset. It's a quick and easy process that takes less than a minute to complete. First, turn off your lights at the wall switch. Then, turn your lights on at the wall switch and leave them switched on for 15 seconds. Turn your lights off for 1 second and then turn them back on for a further 15 seconds. Turn your lights off for 1 second and then turn them back on for another 15 seconds before switching them off. When you have repeated this process of switching lights on for 15 seconds and off for 1 second 3 times, the factory reset will be complete, and when you next switch your lights on, they will flash continually to indicate that they are available for connection with the control app. It's that simple. You are now ready to set up your lights.